Happy Pride Month. To celebrate the month of Pride, I have decided I'm going to attempt to make a rainbow cake. I'm following a recipe. I'm not actually creating my own recipe this time. So I'll put the details of the recipe below and let's get started. So to get started, first of all, we're going to do a very typical sponge cake. So we're going to start by creaming together our butter and our sugar, so 500 grams of each. What you want to do is wait until this is really pale as you can get it, light and fluffy. And when it is light and fluffy, you know it is ready to add the eggs. So into this we are going to add 10 free-range eggs. Once your eggs are combined, you're going to add in your self-raising flour. So I have got 500 grams of self-raising flour here, and I'm going to sieve that in and then mix till combined. Once this is combined, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of vanilla. Now comes the fun part, and this is separating our mixture into 6 different bowls and colouring them all in a different colour for each slice of the rainbow. Once you've got your 6 different bowls, add in the food colouring and make it as bright as you can possibly go, because as it bakes it will lose a little bit of that colour. Now it's time to bake the cake, so they're going into the oven. We're going to prod them at 18 and see if the skewer comes out clean. Now we've just got to let the cakes cool, so we're going to make some buttercream now while the cakes are cooling, and to make this it's very simple. You just need 500 grams of butter to 1 kilogram of icing sugar, and this is going to make a lot of buttercream. So we're going to start by softening our butter in our mixer and then slowly starting to sieve in icing sugar. Once your icing is at the right consistency, we're going to give it a little bit of a vanilla flavour by adding 3 tablespoons again of vanilla into our icing mix. Now comes the fun part. We're going to colour our icing to every colour of the Pride rainbow, but we're going to leave a little bit back as white, and this will be to separate the layers of the cake itself. So I'm going to start by taking my violet cake sandwich and I'm going to put a layer of white buttercream on top, and I'm just going to repeat this process with all the colours of the rainbow. So now we've got our cake. We are going to start by putting a crumb coat of buttercream around the outside of the cake. Once you've done this, it's into the fridge. It goes for this layer to harden up. Finally, we are now going to make a rainbow of buttercream all the way up the sides and onto the top, and decorate the top with some funfetti. So there we have it. That is our Pride cake in celebration of Pride Month. I hope you guys had liked it and have a great Pride Month. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications.